Na kayo kita, na kayo may suga na.
You may take my hand, and I will lead you. I'll tell you right now, I'm not taking his hand.
Ay, tulog sa sakot. Tatay. Tatay kawan.
Trust this guy.
Even though he's helping us?
He's got something up his
Nara, gali
sleeve.
kita, hindi kaya ang
The only
suga
thing
ng
up my
sana.
sleeve is my arm.
How can he hear that?
I hear that as well. Path to the ruins.
Kamot
is
siya
just here.
tatay, ka pa na-meet ka sa'yo. Iya. Isaya ka ang ikog, gadi na itong ikog ya. Nadula ang ikog ya. Maring ikog, yung nagulag ko. Ikog.
Insect of ours, small but formidable. They stun their targets and consume the brain, taking control of the body. What do we do? Make no sound. They're drawn to mental energy. The higher the intelligence of the prey, the more likely they are to
Hindi na
strike.
tuon niya tay. Tan siya glawin, naging siya pila na kami minutos, oh.
Oh, that's a little hurtful.
There it is, hanging city of Dolbo.
The helmet lies on the far side of this chasm. But be warned, the bridge is protected by an ancient gnomish trap. There is a precise formula we must follow so as not to trigger the mechanism.
What's the formula?
It's quite simple. Starting from the center, use odd-numbered blocks only, moving forward with each step except for every fifth step, which must be a lateral move. Left or right, it matters not, so long as the leader and the laggard remain equidistant, after which, proceed. Again, odd-numbered blocks only. However, at the midpoint, we switch to even-numbered blocks. Same pattern, except now
Kaya
lateral
mga
move after the
gulag-gulag,
until
tingnan
you
mo.
reach the three.
Namitan kasi tayo. Gulag yat lawas tayo.
I may have put my foot on the bridge. Didn't realise that's where it technically started. So, sorry.
Pati mga kalot to.
It's not very structurally sound.
Ang taga kalot siya ho.
Can't you just magic us across?
It's too far for telekinesis.
I've got some
Tulog
rope
na.
in my bag. I could tie it to the axe, toss it across, so it sticks to the rock.
You know rocks are hard, right?
Shut up.
Where did you get that?
What, Bartleman's
Where?
walking stick? I swiped it from a wizard over in the Great Peaks.
It's not a walking stick.
Tulugan na.
It's a hither thither staff.
What?
Should have a range of around 500 yards. Watch. Hither.
Ano mo yung
Dito.
iskog mo? Portal.
Ha?
Ayun na siya gagawin.
See? Didn't even need the bridge. I did good.
Sabihin mo na ginamasahe, baby.
Good save.
Hindi nakalot.
Kabalo ka gigadaan magmasahe sa iya. Namitan ka sa iyo. Oo, iya, talawas ka. Ito ginagakurog-kurog din tayo. Ito ka kurog-kurog iya nga, ano nga, lawas.
Sinamig rin ako tapos kaon mo sa iyo dahil.
This I give you now, trusting that you will protect it